In this video, I want to be giving you my EMU game console app review. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you ever wanted to play your favorite retro games right on your phone, EMU might just be the app you're looking for. EMU is a sleek all-in-one emulator that supports classic consoles like the Game Boy Advance, Nintendo DS, PlayStation, and more, all inside a clean, simple interface. Setting it up is incredibly easy. You just launch the app or install the app, load your ROM files, and you're ready to jump straight into your favorite nostalgic titles. Performance is smooth with customizable on-screen controls, full controller support, and the ability to save your progress anytime. It even offers a fast forward option, perfect for skipping long cutscenes or slow RPG sections. That said, there are a couple of downsides. You need to supply your own ROMs since EMU doesn't include any for legal reasons, and depending on your device, high-end consoles like PS2 or GameCube might not run perfectly. Overall though, EMU delivers one of the best portable retro game experiences available today. It's easy to use, packed with great features, and perfect for anyone who loves classic games. Definitely worth checking out.